some different topics, because 24/7 I have a 8 hour, and uh, after that, apart from 8 hours my sleepings, then I am focusing on 16 hours 16 hours totally I have, and only 20 and 14 hours daily basis I am focusing on my learning,
Organize.
because
This is, we can say this, organize our
organized.
this.
and
Mm.
and and I am talking about my time management, because this is a this is a if I say, this is a golden period for
Golden opportunity.
learner, because I am we are young, so
Mhm.
that's a golden opportunity. uh,
Of course. Yes,
uh,
so I think, sir, I think I'm interrupt you. You fond of reading book because I'm looking reading book. There are many books behind you.
Yes, I have a, huge big book collections, because
Book
I am a
collection.
studying in law student, because my Almira says that there's a CRPC, is Civil Procedure of Code, Criminal Procedure of Code, Transfer Property Act, and some other fields books for eat that frog, and
You are interested in study. You are interested
right,
in study, reading. You want to take in knowledge and another authors. There are
right,
many authors because they how do they how do they something how did they write the and books and something, because you want to have knowledge from any authors. I think it's my opinion. It's my thoughts. Something and such
right.
well as
Maybe you are right.
and such well as because I'm true because I don't leave any my new opportunities and with my friends, with my books, because I keep reading. I've told you already about this because I don't avoid any gold opportunities. Sometimes somebody say, "So, are you comfortable?" And with me, are not comfortable. Yeah, I'm comfy with you because I can conversation with anyone. I'm fond of conversation. My hesitation is not a big, it's a little, but my hesitation make me big. Some the fear of something. My hesitation, we can say this glossophobia. Glossophobia doesn't let me speak English in public with friends. That's why somebody is behind from like a success peoples. We should compare with anyone. You have rights, so that.
You are talking about claustrophobia. Claustrophobia is a, every 100 to above 100, above 70 and 90% in claustrophobia in Indian
Gla-
citizens,
Everyone's
because
has. Everyone's
we are
has.
where
Mhm.
we are
Go on.
talking on English, so agitate because we are nervous, and so I have share my some experience. I would like to. I went to first job in company, so that's why it is a Hindi process, and some one day, so one customer so on talking English. So I have no good communication skills before. I talking about before last 2 year, before 2 year, and so I am very nervous. And my TL coming uh, my
It's not
by
nervous
my
that.
side, and he was talking me. So why are you nervous?
I'm
So
getting
because
nervous.
sir, I am not on English, and we have some lines, and I'm talking,
Common
but I
English.
am proper English, but I am very nervous. So
Sometimes feel.
so
Sometimes
what are the those experience very good, and then I had decided, so can I'm working on my skills and communication skills. Then so uh, after 1 year, then I is studying for
Mhm.
uh, then admission in law course. So then
Mhm.
I will decide I have no good communication, so I'm not survive any sector,
I
because average, because if you if you're thinking you only earning a surviving money, so
Mhm,
that's
mhm.
the very little thing, because
Mhm.
we are always huge dream and working on a big plan, because this is a small,
Multinational companies,
right?
multinational
Because
companies, we want to job. That's why, because English is a weakness as well as agitations. You told agitations, it's a big job. Agitation, big job. I think it is
right,
a big job first of all.
right. You're always working. You always select your hardest work,
Mhm.
because if you are selected a hardest goal, if you are facing or face a hard
Right.
problems and facing a big problem, then you will work on your mistakes and problems. Then this phase is a your training, so fighting against your negativity and some people's around your, so you are not this is this is you are not uh, comfortable for you, and you are not successful,
Comfort.
because our Indians so word use word aukat because you have
Value.
no aukat.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah, you're
we
right.
are
You're right. Just talk.
we are working on aukat because we are break the aukat. That's
Yeah.
the my goal.
Some of people, not everywhere, some of people judge anybody
Right. Some
is,
people.
and to have any value. How is your value? How dare you? So people ask this question, and some, not here you have any talk and your rights, because nobody says such as talk, because this is something and root talk. Somebody is evils about this talk, and but somebody is tell in flow.
Right, right. So, Sanjay, I have a personal question for you.
Oh,
Uh, nowadays you are working on your communication skills, and so you are any because you in 25-year old and 22.
20-year old. I'm 20-year old.
Okay, and uh, uh, you have any GF?
Yeah, not unfortunately don't have
Okay,
because I don't focus any girls because focus my communication skill. My education is my GF. Education is my life. When I will make any girlfriend, I will suggest you first.
okay. Because
Because
I why I am questioning you about your GF, because
listen,
this is
listen, listen, listen,
one.
listen. I'm interrupt you. There are many foreigners ask this question. Do you have in GF? And my also subscriber asking, do you have any girlfriend? I don't have. Why? You are something young man. Why don't you be a girlfriend? There are many people that have a girlfriend, have a girlfriend. They enjoy with GF, but I'm not fond of. I'm fond of just my career. I want to be glorify my career. So that's why I'm not focusing because mind doesn't listen about any girl.
Okay,
I don't know.
so
But
why?
I'm not
Okay,
a female. I'm man. but but feel like just a success right now. This meantime for me, just success. Keshav, just focus on success. After 25-year old, never say yourself what you're doing. Somebody ask the question, what have you done in your life? That's why I'm grabbing my knowledge of why English, why my peoples, because I have a one subject, just an English subject. That's why I'm focusing 100% effort. I'm giving 100% effort on my English because English is my one way. I don't have any math, science, and this is very and deeply subject. But English, it's a good subject for me. Just I don't like and any you about polytechnic about, but I'm learning just English. My favorite, my love, English. First education system which I like, I love it. I think as far as I think, I never forget my education system. Because of education system, I am growing. I am conversation with you in English. It's a good platform for us. Always,
So
I suggest anybody never avoid study. Never avoid your success way. If you are something, you are avoiding, it's mean you are avoid your success way.
right.
Study is the way you succeed.
I know, why I asking a question about your GF, because this phase you are I know you are a very hard worker and you're very passionate. Why?
Mhm.
Because and why? Because this age is a totally different. Because almost 30, 70% boys so
Mhm.
should try. I have a girlfriend and some uh,
Mhm.
chit chat and enjoy,
Ah,
and
mhm.
but you have not in here, not your intention is totally different. So
Mhm.
what I am saying a question, so that's the your successful key. You are not
Thank,
interested in
thanks so much. Thank you.
and GF, you have to uh, focusing on your first.
GF, GF make GF makes a demotivate
Right,
sometimes.
right,
GF, some of GF and grow your life and go ahead take a life, but some of girls and just girls is addicted, wrong addicted,
right, right.
addictional. The bad addictional for us.
Okay, so I have a book for you,
Suggest
and
me.
I saw I uh, and I have interrupted you and some change the place, and
Mhm.
this is a really great.
It that frog. Hmm.
Right, you see,
It that frog.
right, this is
Mhm.
a international bestseller, more than 1.6 million copies sold. Eat that frog, 21
1.6
great
million.
way is
1.6 million. There are many
right.
people likes this book.
Right. This is a world international famous book, and I am explained so uh, some advantages this book, and 21 great way to stop procrastination and get more done in less time. So this is a, and this book read every billionaire, millionaire, because
Every
in that frog,
success.
uh, if you if you get up in morning and you can start your day, eat one frog.
Mm, like a just
uh,
a mhm.
Live eat frog, because that's a uh, muhavra. That is called muhavra. This means, so you can focusing on morning is a difficult task on
Difficult
focusing
task.
on morning, because eat that frog, because you are morning में उठते ही एक जिंदा मेंढक खा लो. That's why I am saying.
Ah,
So
think
that's a
think like a frog.
right. So
Think like a
this
frog.
book is a suggested you, so 21 greatest way to achieve your goal. So you
Mm.
must learn this book, and you have to uh,
How can we buy this book online? Yeah, offline.
you buy the online,
Okay.
because offline we are looking local areas not available this book, because we are searching my local area, but I'm not uh,
How much it is
uh,
cost?
cost, because this book is gifted
You have
me, not
uh,
purchasing. Because I'm searching, that's why I'm not a why so my elder brother this book gave to me
gifted.
as a gift. So
Mm.
why I'm suggesting you, and okay, so my battery is down 2% only
Okay,
remaining.
okay, doesn't matter.
So
I think yeah. It was nice talk to you. I'm to meet you. I'm too glad to meet you on Cambly and to my channels as well as this is my Skype app. So I think it's time to buy. I think
Okay, I also very feeling great and glad to
next day,
chatting.
next day.
Nice to meet you and nice to for your future. Okay, and
Catch
good.
up tomorrow. Catch up tomorrow.